How to change text color of side menu in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your text color of side menu in your Wix Studio website. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm going to choose this one. You can click on it. After that, you will be in that website dashboard and you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it and then you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor as you can see. And the side menu is here, the menu, the horizontal menu in your header. And you can just right click on the side menu and then select a layer and then choose the menu. After that, you can go to open inspector here. So this is the menu inspector. So basically you can modify everything here from the size and then for the responsive behavior, the design, what do you want to design, menu items or menu container or even scroll button. We're gonna choose menu items for this video. And for the state, you can choose regular or hover or selected. We're gonna choose regular. And also you can change the color of the background. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one and then you can just drag it this one and it will be like this. You can customize it. I'm not gonna add the background color here. Now this is what we are looking for, the text. So we can change the text style if you want and also the font style and then on the font size if you want to change it. And these are the items that we can customize. So there is text color, outline color, highlight color, and change text direction. So you can change the text color here. You can change it to blue maybe, or the others color. You can click add theme color, and you can customize the color. Maybe red, you know, like this, and it will be changed to red. It's up to you actually. It will be like this, right? So yeah, it's up to you. And also you can modify others thing here. You can explore more. You can modify the borders, dividers, and corners. So yeah, so I think that's it. How to change the color of your side menu in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.